Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. Happy Tuesday to every one of us. I am Olorunlowo Ayinde, one of the many voices of TVC around the world. This morning I will be talking on change your story. Change your story. There is a quotation ascribed to Charles F. Kettering. Says, do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead to where there is no path and leave a trail. Guys, the TVC community, under the leadership of our able admin, Chris Kingley, we are towing a path that no one has ever trod, and we are leaving a trail. Not just a trail, but a great one indeed. So, friends, everybody's life is one long story from cradle to grave. For some of us, the story is exciting and colorful, while for some, it is dull and uninspiring. We often think we do not have control over how the story goes. We think we are called to just read out what has been written by someone somewhere. No, not so. In fact, every man is the author of his or her whole story. You have the papers and the pen with which to write your own story. If you don't like what you are reading, change your story. Wilma Rodford is an Olympic athlete. When as a child, Wilma was told she would never walk. Her angry response was, I will prove them wrong. Wilma did not like the story of her inability, but instead of sitting back to bemoan her lot or blame her luck, she took some sheet of paper and pen to write a new story of herself, a story of possibility. Friends, I'm here to tell you that in the Kringle community, we believe in possibility. A lot of things has happened in the past that should have made TBC to go down the drain. But because of the tenacity, the courage, the persistence of our able admin, we are still standing. Not just standing, but standing strong and growing tall. So, she did not just sit back. Wilma took a pen, a sheet of paper, and write a new story of herself. A story of possibility, a story of success. Years later, she traded her crutches, leg braces, and corrective shoes for running shoes. Invariably, she became the first American woman to win 3 gold medals in track. Wilma took responsibility for the story of her life. She wrote what she wanted. In TBC community, we are writing what we wanted. We want a world of peace, unity, and abundance for mankind. And that is the story we are writing in the Kringle community. Are you going to sit aloof and watch, or will you join us? Join us, and let's rewrite the story of our world again. How is your story going, my friend? I mean, the story of your life. Is it the way you want it or the other way? You can change your story today. Take step in the direction that you want. Do things that will take you to your dreams. Is it going to be easy? No. Would it be impossible? No. So, what are you waiting for? Take that giant step today. Your creator created you for good, for grace, for success, for abundance. So, don't allow any woman, any situation, any circumstance to rewrite your story in other way around. It is possible. You can achieve that. So I leave you with this word. Rewrite the story of your life, for it is possible to achieve. Thank you, guys. I want you to, for as many who are yet to subscribe to this channel, press on that bell by your right hand side corner. Subscribe for subsequent updates on this. And don't forget the TVC community. We are changing the status quo in the world, bringing abundance back to humanity. So, guys, if you want to join us, you are welcome. There's a link below this video. Click on that link. Join, register. And there's also a Telegram link there. Join the group for updates, assistance, information, and everything you need to know. Looking forward to see you. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.